I'm not sure that number's going to be particularly taken one way or the other. As you say, it's slap bang in line with consensus. I think as you look forward, concerns about a recession in Europe probably don't go away on this data, but in reality, subject to trade wars, the European circumstances like to get a bit better, in our opinion, in the second half. The tricky bit is the trade situation, and unfortunately Germany is the tail on the US-China trade war dog, and at the end of the day 47% of GDP from Germany is exports, the majority of that going to those two trading partners. If they blow up in a trade war, Germany is probably the place that gets hit worst, and we see that in the confidence numbers and industrial production numbers.
What is it that makes you think that we will see a pickup in activity?
Well, as I say, this is subject to the trade resolution. So within that, we're seeing a bit of a soft patch again today in China. I think China will probably do a little bit more stimulus. If you get a trade resolution between the two parties, then we can start to get back to business as normal, and the Germans do that extremely well. So I think that, from their perspective, is the ideal scenario. The trouble is, as we know, these trade situations can drag out for quite some time. There is no guarantee we get a resolution, and I suspect just at this moment, if you're an industrial manufacturing company in Germany, you're not going to produce a lot of inventory on a just-in-case basis. You're probably going to say, I want to see what's coming.
Now, the trade aspect is obviously out of Germany's control to a large degree. Something within Germany's control is their fiscal position. I mean, is it realistic? Are they going to come around and look more seriously at doing more fiscal stimulus later this year?
I think if you saw Europe, particularly Germany, fall into recession, then that would move up the agenda very quickly. But if we just keep going along at very slow growth, I'm not sure that's enough. I mean, if you look at the numbers and you look at the rest of the world and how we run deficits, clearly Germany is playing, a different game. But they've done that for a very long time, and I don't see political will today to change that substantially. However, they do have that firepower, and they're one of the few people in the world who actually do have the opportunity, because monetary, let's face it, there's nothing more you can do there. So it has to be fiscal, and they could do that.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.